Most people think oatmeal is the perfect breakfast. It's light, easy to make, and praised for lowering cholesterol and keeping the heart healthy. But what if I told you that the same bowl of oatmeal you eat every morning could be silently harming your health? Yes, it's true. Oatmeal can be both a healing food and a hidden threat, depending on how you prepare it, how often you eat it, and what you mix it with. Many seniors believe they're doing everything right by eating oats daily, yet they still feel tired, bloated, or weak afterward. Why does this happen? Because not all oatmeal is created equal. Some types of oats are highly processed and lose their nutrients. Some combinations, like adding milk, sugar, or fruits, can trigger digestive issues and spike blood sugar. Even the way you cook your oats can change how your body reacts to them. For people over 50, these mistakes can lead to serious problems, from poor digestion to mineral loss and unstable energy levels. But the good news is, every mistake can be fixed easily. In this video, we'll uncover the 12 most common oatmeal mistakes that most people make every day, and how to correct them. So stay with me till the end, because one of these mistakes might surprise you the most and could change the way you eat oats forever. Let's begin with the first and most common mistake, eating instant or flavored oatmeal. These packets are advertised as healthy, but they're not. Instant oats are heavily processed, stripped of natural fiber, and packed with added sugar and sodium. This makes them digest very fast, which leads to sudden spikes in blood sugar followed by a crash. For seniors or people with diabetes, this can cause fatigue, dizziness, and cravings. Always choose steel-cut oats or old-fashioned rolled oats instead. They digest slowly, keep you full longer, and help stabilize your blood sugar. Avoid the colorful flavored packs no matter how tasty they look. The fewer ingredients on the label, the healthier your oats will be. Mistake number 2. Adding sugar or honey every morning. It might seem harmless to add a spoonful of sugar or a drizzle of honey for taste, but, sugar is still sugar. It triggers inflammation, raises insulin levels, and can damage your heart over time. Seniors with blood pressure or cholesterol issues should be especially careful. Instead, add flavor naturally. Sprinkle cinnamon, nutmeg, or a little vanilla essence. You can also use small pieces of apple, pear, or a few berries for mild sweetness. These natural alternatives give antioxidants and fiber without the sugar shock. Mistake number 3. Cooking oats with milk. Most people cook oats in cow's milk believing it adds calcium and strength, but here's the problem. Oats contain phytic acid, a compound that binds to minerals like calcium and iron, preventing their absorption. When you mix oats with milk, your body struggles to absorb these nutrients effectively. Over time, this can weaken your bones rather than strengthen them. Also, many seniors develop mild lactose intolerance, which causes bloating or stomach discomfort. The best way to cook oats is with water, almond milk, or coconut milk. These are light, digestible, and do not block nutrients. Mistake number 4. Not soaking oats overnight. This is one of the biggest mistakes people make. Soaking oats is not just a trendy idea. It's essential for digestion and nutrition. Oats naturally contain phytic acid, which reduces the absorption of important minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium. Soaking overnight in warm water or a splash of lemon juice neutralizes this acid. It breaks down complex starches and makes oats easier to digest. Soaked oats are lighter on the stomach and won't cause bloating or heaviness in seniors. Mistake number 5. Eating oatmeal every single day. Oats are healthy, sure, but your body really needs variety. Eating oats every day can actually reduce gut microbiome diversity and, create nutrient imbalances over time. Your body truly thrives on a mix of grains like millet, quinoa, barley, or brown rice. So try to rotate your breakfast options. Oats 3 to 4 times a week are enough. This rotation improves gut health, helps prevent food sensitivities, and gives your body a balance of nutrients. Mistake number 6. Mixing oats with high-sugar fruits. A lot of people love to top their oatmeal with bananas, mangoes, or raisins. While these fruits are definitely nutritious, they're also high in sugar. Combined with carb-heavy oats, this can turn your so-called healthy breakfast into a sugar bomb. Your blood sugar rises fast and then drops, leaving you hungry again. For seniors, this can even cause weakness or shakiness during the day. The best toppings are low-sugar fruits like berries, green apples, or pears. And adding a pinch of cinnamon can further balance your blood sugar. Mistake number 7. Ignoring portion size. Oats may be healthy, but it's actually pretty easy to overeat them. A healthy portion is about half a cup of dry oats. Many people eat double this, thinking more is better, but large servings add too many carbs, which can make you gain weight or feel sluggish after breakfast. Stick to one serving and balance your bowl with nuts, seeds, or yogurt. This ensures steady energy throughout the day without the crash. Mistake number 8. Skipping protein with oats. Oats alone do not have enough protein, and seniors especially need protein for muscle repair and strength. Without it, blood sugar fluctuates more and hunger returns quickly. Always add a protein source. You can add a spoon of Greek yogurt, a boiled egg, chia seeds, or a handful of nuts. This small addition keeps you satisfied longer and supports your muscles and bones. Mistake number 9. Overcooking oats. Many people boil oats for too long, turning them mushy and tasteless. Overcooking destroys nutrients and reduces fiber quality. It also breaks down natural enzymes that help digestion. Cook oats gently on a low flame for just a few minutes or pour hot water over soaked oats. They will stay creamy and nutrient-rich. Soft but slightly chewy oats are perfect, not gluey or sticky. Mistake number 10. Ignoring the type of oats. There are many kinds: instant, quick, rolled, and steel-cut. Each behaves differently in your body. Steel-cut oats are the least processed and take longer to cook, but they're the healthiest. They have more fiber and cause a slower rise in blood sugar. Rolled oats are also good for most people. But avoid instant oats. They're pre-cooked, refined, and often contain preservatives. Always read the label carefully. Choose organic, chemical-free oats whenever possible. Mistake number 11. Eating oats on an empty stomach with medicines. This one is really important for seniors. Oats contain fiber that can interfere with the absorption of some medicines, especially thyroid medication or iron supplements. Eating them immediately after taking pills can reduce the medicine's effect. Always wait at least 30 to 40 minutes after taking medication before having your oats. And, don't forget to drink plenty of water. Fiber without water can cause constipation or discomfort. Mistake number 12. Thinking oats are a complete superfood. Many people believe that eating oats alone provides everything the body needs. But oats are not complete nutrition. They are great for fiber, but they lack certain vitamins, minerals, and essential amino acids. Your body needs variety: vegetables, fruits, proteins, and healthy fats for true health. Oats should be a part of your balanced diet, not the entire diet. Now you can see how easily these mistakes happen. Most of us never realize that something as simple as oats could have so many hidden rules. But once you understand them, it's easy to fix. Just switching from instant oats to soaked steel-cut oats can transform your digestion and energy. Removing sugar and adding cinnamon can balance your blood sugar naturally. Pairing oats with seeds or yogurt can make your breakfast complete. When you eat oats the wrong way, you may feel bloated, tired, or even dizzy. You might notice sudden hunger within hours or digestive discomfort that lasts all day. But when you prepare oats properly, soaked, balanced, and portioned, the difference is clear. You'll feel full, yet light. Your stomach will stay calm, and your energy will remain steady throughout the day. For seniors, this matters even more. As we age, digestion slows and nutrient absorption declines. The wrong breakfast can trigger fatigue, bloating, or blood sugar fluctuations that affect mood and brain clarity. But the right oatmeal habit can stabilize your mornings and protect your heart and gut. Now that you know the 12 oatmeal mistakes most people make, let's talk about how to do it the right way. How to make your morning bowl of oats actually heal your body instead of harming it. The first step is choosing the right kind of oats. Always go for steel-cut oats or old-fashioned rolled oats. These are the least processed and have their fiber, protein, and nutrients intact. They take a little longer to cook, but that's what makes them so beneficial. They release energy slowly, keeping your blood sugar stable and your stomach full for hours. On the other hand, avoid instant or quick oats completely. They're pre-cooked, stripped of most fiber, and often contain added sugar or flavoring that defeats the purpose of eating healthy. If you want your oats to truly support your health, start with the most natural form possible. The next step is soaking your oats overnight. This is honestly one of the simplest yet most powerful changes you can make. When you soak oats in water overnight, something amazing happens. The phytic acid in them begins to break down. This acid is what blocks your body from absorbing important minerals like iron, calcium, and zinc. By soaking, you make these nutrients more bioavailable and easier for your body to use. Just take half a cup of oats and soak them in warm water with a few drops of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. Leave it overnight. In the morning, drain the excess water and cook lightly for a few minutes. You'll notice the oats cook faster, taste creamier, and digest much easier. Seniors who often struggle with gas, heaviness, or indigestion after breakfast will feel a big difference with this one simple change. Next comes the liquid you cook your oats in. Many people make the mistake of using cow's milk, but that can be heavy and hard to digest, especially as we age. Instead, cook your oats in water, almond milk, coconut milk, or oat milk. These plant-based milks are lighter on the stomach, add a mild, nutty flavor, and don't interfere with calcium or iron absorption. If you want a creamier texture, try half water and half almond milk. You'll still get that smooth, satisfying feel without the digestive discomfort. Now let's talk about sweeteners. This is where most oatmeal bowls go from healthy to harmful. White sugar, brown sugar, and even honey can turn your oats into a blood sugar bomb. Instead, flavor your oats naturally. Add cinnamon powder. Not only does it enhance flavor, but it also helps regulate blood sugar. You can also add nutmeg, cardamom, or a tiny bit of vanilla essence for warmth and aroma. If you want a hint of sweetness, add a few pieces of apple, pear, or berries. These fruits contain natural sugars, but also come with fiber and antioxidants that slow down sugar absorption. Blueberries and strawberries are particularly good for seniors because they protect brain health and reduce inflammation. Next, add healthy fats and protein. Oats alone are high in carbohydrates, so to balance your meal, you need to add good fats and protein. This helps you feel full longer and keeps your energy steady. Add chia seeds, flax seeds, or pumpkin seeds. They're rich in omega-3, fatty acids, magnesium, and zinc, nutrients that support your brain, joints, and heart. You can also sprinkle a handful of soaked almonds or walnuts. If you like dairy, a spoon of Greek yogurt or cottage cheese adds protein and probiotics for gut health. Some people even like to top their oats with a boiled egg on the side, a perfect balance of carbs and protein that supports muscle maintenance in seniors. Another key point is temperature. Always eat your oats warm or at room temperature. Cold oats straight from the fridge might look refreshing, but for older adults, they're harder to digest and can cause gas or bloating. Warm food soothes the digestive tract, improves nutrient absorption, and feels more comforting in the morning. If you like overnight oats, take them out of the fridge 20 minutes before eating or warm them slightly before serving. Timing also matters. Morning is the best time to eat oats. Your body needs slow energy release at the start of the day, and oats provide exactly that. Avoid eating oats late at night because the high fiber takes time to digest, and eating them before sleep can cause heaviness or discomfort. Let's look at a perfect oatmeal recipe for seniors. Take half a cup of rolled oats and soak them overnight in warm water with a few drops of lemon juice. In the morning, cook lightly in almond milk for 5 to 7 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 3 soaked almonds, and a small handful of blueberries. Sprinkle cinnamon on top and a tiny pinch of salt to balance flavor. If you want, add a spoon of Greek yogurt for extra protein. This bowl will give you steady energy, clear digestion, and excellent heart protection, all without the sugar crash or bloating. Now, here's another trick that many don't know. Pair oats with spices. Add a pinch of turmeric, cardamom, or ginger powder. These spices reduce inflammation and help your body absorb nutrients better. They also enhance flavor without the need for sugar. For people struggling with arthritis, joint stiffness, or poor digestion, this combination works wonders. Some seniors prefer to drink their oats as smoothies. That's fine, but remember moderation. Don't overload your blender with oats. Half a cup is enough. Add spinach, half a banana, a few nuts, and some yogurt for balance. If you add too many oats, your smoothie becomes carb-heavy and can spike blood sugar. Keep it light and colorful. Also, keep your oats organic whenever possible. Many commercial oats are sprayed with glyphosate, a chemical herbicide that can damage gut health. Organic oats are cleaner, safer, and better for long-term health. Look for certified organic brands even if they cost a little more. Your body will thank you. And let's talk about hydration. Oats are high in fiber, which is great for your gut, but they also absorb water. If you don't drink enough fluids, you might experience constipation or bloating. So, whenever you eat oats, make sure to drink a full glass of water afterward. This keeps your digestion smooth and prevents dryness in the intestines. For those who take medications, remember the earlier rule: always maintain a 30 to 40-minute gap between your pills and oatmeal. Fiber slows down medicine absorption. Have your medication with water, wait half an hour, and then enjoy your breakfast calmly. Finally, don't forget that balance is everything. Oats are powerful, but they're not a magic food. The healthiest seniors eat a variety of grains: oats, quinoa, barley, and millets. Each grain nourishes the body differently. Oats are great for cholesterol and digestion, while millet supports bones and quinoa boosts protein. So mix it up through the week to keep your meals exciting and your body balanced. When you start applying these small corrections, you'll feel the difference quickly. No more bloating, no more post-breakfast tiredness, no more sudden hunger. Instead, you'll feel calm, energetic, and focused all morning. Your gut will feel lighter, your blood sugar will stay balanced, and your mood will be steady. Within a few weeks, your digestion will improve, your skin will look healthier, and your energy will last longer through the day. Remember, the goal isn't to stop eating oats, it's to eat them smart. You don't need to give up your favorite breakfast. You just need to make it work for your body instead of against it. So next time you reach for that bowl, take a moment. Think about what's going in it. Skip the sugar, add cinnamon, soak the oats, use water or almond milk. Add seeds, nuts, and fruits that heal. That's all it takes to transform your morning meal into medicine. If you found this information helpful, share it with someone you love. Many seniors eat oats daily without realizing these mistakes. You might help them feel better and live healthier just by sharing this video. And if you want more simple, science-based tips to improve your energy, digestion, and heart health after 50, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Every small change you make adds up to a big difference. Eat right, stay strong, and remember, good health always begins with knowledge and a mindful breakfast.